Upcycle, and today we're going to be doing this graphic tee. If you're interested in seeing how I do this, please stay tuned and watch, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it.
I'm focused, man. Yeah. Yes, y'allin', Jigga man be ballin'. These chicks pigeon-toed, some of them be crawling. Get the best of you whenever I put my all in. Have mommies calling for the law, darling. Jigga and Paulin', drop, coops with half the top, expose half my knot. Mad when I brag about the cash I got, but I'm used to not having a lot. I'm from the gutter and I ain't the type to ever chase you. I'm the type to interior decorate the watch. I'm the type that's type heavyweight on the block in every state like clock. Word jiggers to hurt, holla.
It's not telling me yet. Why you kissing on my neck, making me feel so. Should I stay? Should I go? I don't know. Your hot boy style drives me wild, but in the back of my mind, I know. I wanna see you put that thing on me. I can't let you.
Blue kicks, hottest on the block. Used to Willie bicycle since I was 6. High school, the crossover, wave the way pics. Music is the same paper way hits. So mine, get it together or forget it forever. When I go at you hard, I can get it through leather. You act like Jigga can get it whoever talking. You got a man, okay, ma, and that's high school making me chase you round for months. Having a fear, act like an adult for once. Plus my hand is up. Damn, you flirt. What's a little meal? Maybe a little, but pain is pleasure and pressure bust pipes, and you look like the I like it. We can crush the night. Tell me what you like. I got a yellow bottle on a bucket of ice. Get right. Young ho